Papa, I'll have some ribs for dinner.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Welcome back, everybody. Let me tell you what, I get a lot of questions, comments from a lot of people here locally that know I'm doing this channel, and some people I work with, and some comments even on YouTube and Facebook or whatever. And so one of the most common comments I get is, Ken, you know, I love what you're doing, I love what I'm seeing, but I only have a propane grill and I want to cook ribs like you. Can you do it? Well, the answer is yeah, you can. You can do it low and slow, or you can do a little bit faster cook. You can even put some smoke on here. So tonight, guys, I'm gonna bring you just a rack of ribs I've got inside. We're gonna cook them offset on here, high temp. We're gonna shoot for about a 1 hour cook here, and we are gonna apply some smoke. So let's go inside and season these things up and get her going. The sun's bright. All right, guys, I just picked this up today. I've never used it before, but I've seen it many times. I'm sure you have seen it. This is Jack Daniel's pork rub. Beautiful color to it, a lot of paprika in it, and I've stuck a taste of it already. Got a nice smoky taste. Of course, that's the paprika, I'm sure. I'm not even using a binder, guys. I have removed the membrane, but I'm gonna season this up real good. I have not decided on a glaze yet. I'm sure it'll be something I got here in the house already, though, so I'll take a look here in a bit. I'll be honest, I'm kind of rushing this. What I do during the week. Turn this over and repeat. I have not decided if I like that or not. I've got my smoke box full of hickory chips over here. They're not soaked. I want them to smoke. I don't want them to steam, so I do not soak my chips. They're getting ready to take off smoke, and I can see it already. They're gonna put off a nice smoke in here. And I'm gonna try to get my temps, of course I've got it open now, my temps have come down. We'll try to get it between 350, 400, because we're going for about maybe about an hour cook if I can make that happen, but I need to get some smoke rolling in here. So I'm gonna close this up, let it finish up, bring the ribs out and put them on for you. Okay, let's see what we can get going here. Look at that smoke rolling off of that wood. That's what I'm wanting, because this ain't gonna be a long cook. I wanna get as much smoke as I can. With the ribs that I'm seasoned up here, I'm gonna turn them upside down for now, meat part down. We're just gonna let them roll up here for a while. Like I'm right at close to 350, but I've had this open for a second or two. Hope my camera's picking up that smoke. We got some smoke rolling in there, guys. Okay, let's see what's going on in here. I'm gonna flip these over. We'll already get some color. It's only been about 20 minutes, guys. I'm gonna turn these over. We still got a ways to go, of course. Got some smoke rolling in there, guys. Look at that. Pick some excess up. Alright, I do want to spritz this. This is just some apple cider vinegar and some Jim Beam bourbon. You're not going to get a major crust like you do in a low and slow. But hopefully you can get a little flavor, some smoke flavor, which I generally do. I had quite a bit of smoke rolling here. I'm around 144. I'm going to go ahead and wrap these for time. I didn't mean to, but off camera. I meant to do it on camera. I did turn these around 180 degrees, just because it's a little bit hotter down at this end. We can do, yeah. I do want these to go, starting to get some good bend there. Want them to go meat side down. Create a bowl effect just to help tenderize, add a little flavor. your apple cider vinegar and bourbon mix. We're going to spray this down. We're going to steam this off is what's going to happen. It's going to help tenderize these ribs and add some flavor in there. Here we go. Let them steam a little bit. Yeah, we're upwards 200. It's probing tender. I don't want this to fall apart being wrapped so long. 195. Ooh, that fire's hot below me. Close enough for me, but first when I glaze it, I want some smoke back on that glaze. So I'm gonna put this back over my fire. That goodness. Hey guys, I had a hard time deciding, so I held 2 bottles up and let Mama decide. We're doing some, of course, Sweet Baby Ray's Hickory Brown Sugar. So she got to pick this one. All right. We'll do this a couple times. We'll go inside and we'll taste this bad boy. It is time to give these guys a taste. That's not bad bend there. Me guys, look at that. So look at that guys. That is a thing of beauty. And it was cooked on a propane grill. Get this cut up and give her a taste. Okay, if you were expecting a smoke ring out of this cook, you're not gonna get one. I'm hoping for a little smoke flavor, but I don't know if you can see it. This is tender. There's some juices in there. So, all right, let's give this thing a taste, guys. That's very good, guys. Very good. It is, obviously it's not fall off the bone, which I don't like fall off the bone. I like pull off the bone, and I'm getting some of that just tear off there, which is really good. So to answer the question, can you cook ribs indirect on a propane grill? Yes, most definitely. Mine's a little wider box where I could do the outer burns on the outside. If you got a shorter, like a 3 or 4 burner, my old propane was a 4 burner. And I would just turn 2 of the grills on, and I would put the ribs on that top grate just for a little oven effect of that. Cook a little higher tip. You can even go low and slow and on that. I might show you that at some point. But yes, you can definitely cook ribs on a propane grill. You can smoke ribs on a propane grill. You could probably do a low and slow. I honestly haven't done it because I have other means of doing that, but I might do it just for you guys someday. So remind me in the future so we can do that. But guys, thank you so much. I hope this was helpful. Yes, you can cook on a propane grill. You can cook some good, very tasty ribs on there. Don't have to be grilled. You can set it up as an oven effect and get some very tasty ribs. So guys, thank you. If you haven't already, guys, please subscribe, hit that like button for me. And folks, we will see you next week. God love you, folks. Bye-bye.